Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this beautiful 2017 Nissan Titan Pro-4X Truck. On the exterior of this Nissan Titan, we have heated and power door mirrors with turn signal indicators, rear step bumper, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for 5, remote keyless entry, automatic temperature control, and push-to-start technology. The 7-inch LCD screen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 Nissan Titan Pro has less than 89,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.